Hello everyone, welcome to our virtual Veterans Day Assembly. I am Mr. Neer, the new music teacher at Lackamas and McKenna Elementary, and today, while we're not able to meet in person to sing, celebrate, and thank all of those who have served for our country, we're still able to share a song virtually. So without further ado, here is a presentation of the U.S. military service songs sung by our students at McKenna and Lackamas Elementary Schools. Thank you for your service if you have served, and all the families who have veterans and military. We appreciate what you do each and every day. I hope you enjoy. Have a great one. Up next, the Air Force.
Off we go into the wide blue yonder, climbing high into the sun. Here they come, singing to me our thunder. Atom boys, give it a gun. Down we dive, starting the flame from under. Off with my terrible roar. Live in fear or go down in flame. Hey, nothing can stop the U.S. Air Force.
And now, the U.S. Navy.
Anchors away, my boys. Anchors away. Farewell to college boys who celebrate our day. Through our last night on shore, anchors away. Until we meet once more, here's wishing you a happy voyage home.
And now, the U.S. Coast Guard, sung by yours truly.
We're always ready for the call. We place our trust in thee. Through surf and storm and touting gale, I shall our purpose speed. Semper Paratus is our guide, our fame, our glory, to fight, to save or fight and die. I, Coast Guard, we are for you.
And last but not least, the U.S. Army.
First we fight for the right and to build a nation's might, and the army goes rolling